Okay everyone, imagine a home that combines mobility, style and comfort all in one beautifully curved design. This is not only just tiny house, it's a masterpiece on wheels designed to maximize space and natural light. This mobile home offers a cozy yet modern living experience with carefully placed windows. The interior feels bright and inviting day or night. Okay, welcome to a space where simplicity meets comfort and charming little home on wheels that proves bigger isn't always better. Step inside this beautifully designed caravan where every detail is carefully curated to create a cozy yet functional living environment. One of the first thing you will notice is the curved ceiling, which give the interiors a spacious and airy feel. The gentle yellow hue enhance the sense of warmth, making this camper feel like a true home no matter where you park it. Designed for maximum efficiency, the built-in bunk bed provides a comfortable sleeping area without taking up too much room, and the small overhead shelf is perfect for storing books, personal trinkets, or even a few travel souvenirs collected along the way. And no home is complete without a kitchen, and this one is both compact and practical with a built-in sink, a small stove, and just enough counter space. It has everything needed to prepare delicious meals on the go. And even in tiny home, even in a tiny home, cooking can still be a joyful experience. Natural light is essential in a small space, and this well-placed window just bring that's just that bringing in the outside world while making the interior feel open and fresh. Whether enjoying the morning sun or watching the rain fall outside, this window adds a touch of serenity. Relaxation is just as important as functionality, and this sitting area offers the perfect place to unwind. And the plush blue couch is a comfortable retreat, whether you are enjoying a meal at the wooden dining table or simply kicking back after a long day of adventure. The choice of dark tiles for the flooring adds a touch of contrast, grounding the space with a modern yet minimalist appeal. It's durable, easy to clean, and complements the overall aesthetic of this cozy camper. Okay, from an empty lot to a fully functional tiny home wheels, this is a journey of building a one-of-kind curved frame mobile home, a project that blends innovation, efficiency, and craftsmanship into a beautiful minimalist living space. And every great home starts with a strong foundation, and for a mobile home, that foundation is the trailer itself. This sturdy frame will support the entire structure, ensuring durability and stability on the road. What sets this tiny home apart is its elegant curved frame. Instead of traditional boxy design, this structure embraces smooth organic lines that not only enhance its aesthetic but also improve aerodynamic and space efficiency. Precision is key at this stage. Each beam is carefully positioned to create a strong yet lightweight frame, while insulation is added to ensure comfort in any climate. This tiny home is built not just for style but also for functionality. And with the frame complete, it's time to add the outer cells. The choice of natural beige color gives this home warm, inviting look, blending beautifully with various landscape, whether parked in mountains, by the coast, or in the countryside. Windows are a crucial part of this design, strategically placed to bring in natural light while maintaining privacy. As the sun sets, the illuminated windows create a cozy ambience, making this tiny home feel even more welcoming. A sturdy wooden staircase completes the exterior, offering easy access to the entrance. Small details like this not only enhance functionality but also add charm to the overall design. Inside, every inch is carefully designed for efficiency and comfort, from built-in storage to a well-thought-out living space. This home proves that um, minimalism does not mean sacrificing convenience, and there you have it, the transformation from a simple trailer to a beautiful crafted mobile living space. This tiny home is ready to hit the off-road, offering freedom, flexibility, and a truly unique way of living. And what do you think about this design? And please, could you see yourself living in this tiny home like this? Let us know in the comment below. Okay. This is a compact bedroom that makes the most of every inch with its soft beige tones, art ceiling, and well thought out layout. This bathroom proves that small space can still offer comfort and styles. One of the standout features of this bathroom is its arch ceiling. Not only does it create a sense of height and openness, but it also enhances the overall aesthetic, giving the space a cozy yet sophisticated touch. Natural light plays a key role in making small space feel bigger. This well-placed window brighten up the room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. And just below, a simple yet stylish wooden shelf provides the perfect spot for essential toiletries, keeping everything within reach while maintaining a clean and organized look. And space efficiency is a crucial in a compact bathroom, and this wide toilet fits perfectly into the layout with its modern design and minimalism appeal. It blends seamlessly with the soft beige walls and contributing the room's clean and calming atmosphere. On the opposite on the opposite side, we have a beautifully designed shower enclosure with clear glass door. The transparency of the glass not only adds a touch of elegance but also prevent the space from feeling cramped. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain an open and airy feel in a compact bathroom. And ventilation is the key to maintaining a fresh and dry environment, especially in a small bathroom. Positioned above the shower, this discreet yet efficient fan helps regulate humidity and prevent moisture buildup, ensuring that the space remains clean and comfortable. And staying warm after a shower is essential, and this wide radiator adds both comfort and practically. Its slim design takes up minimal space while providing efficient heating, perfect for those silly mornings or cozy nighttime routines. And to complete look, a wooden countertop near the shower offer a natural earthy element to the design, and with space for neatly folded towels and or decorative touch like a small plants, it adds a subtle warmth to the overall ambience. Every detail in this compact bathroom has been carefully considered, from the curved ceiling to the natural lighting, and from the smart storage solution to a modern minimalism design. Its perfect balance of practically and elegance, proving that even the smallest space can feel luxurious. Okay guys, between the exterior and some of the interior that I present just now, it's only focused on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of opening and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas, inspiration. Okay, every inch of this small yet awfully designed space has a purpose. It is a home that moves with you, bringing comfort wherever the road takes you. And would you live in a camper like this? And let us know in the comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tiny home inspiration. Thanks for watching and have a good day.